way up to Independence Mine, and we just had to stop really quick at this amazing river. Is it cold? Should be cold. The blue.
You couldn't stop him from going now.
Primitive road. No warning signs. Next 20 miles.
20 miles?
So welcome to Palmer, Alaska, everybody. That's right, Palmer. We're spending a couple of days here. Actually, we've got one day to do some stuff because we didn't get here till late yesterday and it was raining. So we've got a bunch planned for today. We're gonna pack it all in a day. So it's early. We got airplanes flying over from the airport right here. So stick around with us. It's gonna be a busy day. As we have stopped at the pay station here for parking at the Independence Mine, and you know, every turn on this trip has been something unexpected. I expected a mine up in the mountains, but this is just unbelievable. We've never been to like Scotland or Ireland or anything like that, but this is what I picture it would look like. Look at this. Yeah, she's having a hard time.
She's having flashbacks.
Oh, this is the cool.
Wait till we come down.
Well, we have to sit down.
I like it.
So this is the summit of Hatcher Pass, 3886, above sea level. Good thing it's not below sea level. Just wow. No, I think maybe the rainy, misty day makes it even better.
It makes it even more majestic.
Yeah. Welcome to the Independence Mine. In 1938, gold was discovered here, and the mine quickly became a hub of activity, attracting dreamers and prospectors from all corners of the world. The name, Independence Mine, holds a unique significance as it was named after the date it was staked, July the 4th, fitting tribute to the spirit of freedom and opportunity that drew people to the region. Over the years, the mine prospered, reaching its peak productivity in the 1940s and 1950s, yielding an astonishing 140,000 ounces of gold during its operation. Walking through the mine's remnants and old mining buildings, you'll feel a sense of wonder as you explore the echoes of the past. The wooden structures, the rusted machinery, and abandoned tools provide a glimpse into the challenges and triumphs of those who toiled here in search of fortune. Each creaking floorboard and weathered beam holds untold stories of grit and determination. Beyond the historical marvels, Independence Mine boasts some of the most awe-inspiring views in Alaska. The panorama of pristine wilderness stretches as far as the eye can see. But the beauty of Independence Mine extends beyond its tangible features. It's a place where history and nature converge, offering a unique experience for all who visit. Nature enthusiasts will find endless opportunities for hiking, wildlife spotting, and connecting with the untamed wilderness that surrounds the mine. People live their lives here in search of gold, the gold rush, gold fever. Like, people spent their lives here, families were here. It's crazy.
And you know, I mean, when the mine closed, what kept them here? Nothing. So they just up and left.
Left all their stuff and
It's so cool. On Wednesdays and Sunday evenings, they had a movie night. They would rent movies, and 80 people could sit in there and watch movies. And we saw in there that movies cost 25 cents.
Yeah. So this is where several miners experienced their first talkies, movies with sound.
That's amazing.
About that. So all these old buildings just collapsed. The winters got to them, snow load, and just crushed them. How cool is that? Stacks of burlap sacks. They used to put the ore in. There's so much information about everything that went on here. It's a lot to take in, so you should give yourself enough time. Also want to drive, make sure you drive to the top of Hatcher's Pass, to the summit, which is just a short drive. But if you are scared of heights, maybe let somebody drive this night. So, yeah.
Yeah, not me.
Yeah.
When you are walking across, it is 35 and 45 feet deep. So just be aware of that, but you're fine. It's very safe bridge. And then when we get to the other side, we'll walk off some grates that are a little bit uneven and some ice. Then we'll put our spikes on and we'll be all set. So we'll adventure on. You signed up for the extreme, right?
Cold? Should be cold. Beautiful as that. Look at that.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't even know if it'll show up or not, how blue it is.
Shadow.
It's crazy. Ooh. Craziness. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it?
Can you believe that we are on this glacier?
Matanuska Glacier. It's, I don't even know how to describe it.
Well, it's a little icy.
It's just, it's crazy. It's like, it's a different world.
It is. It is. I mean, it's a whole
Look at-
different terrain. It's like being on a different
Ah,
planet.
it's crazy. You got to come do this.
The blue. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite color of blue.
It's not going to show up right on the video, but you've got to come do this. So.
Yeah.
It's absolutely.
It's definitely worth the time
And
the money,
effort.
the effort.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Must do. Bucket list check.
So much more to do here in Palmer and in the area that you could easily spend 3, 4, 5 days here and not be bored at all. So we stayed here at Paradise Alaska RV Park. Nice little park. The people that run it are very nice. The grass is green. The sites are clean. Only problem here is there's a little bit of sound every once in a while from the airport that is right over there. But a plus to that would be the fact that I think you can walk over there and maybe take an airplane ride or a helicopter ride and see some of the glaciers that are around here, because there's a few that are around here. But yeah, we got to move on down toward Soldotna and Homer and see what's down there and spend a few days down there. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, do all the things so we can grow and you can see more videos and the dog can bark at the other dog. We'll all come by. So until next time, take care of each other.
Love each other.
And make every moment count. See you next time, guys.